What is the area of the front of the house? So we have to realize that this is also a composite shape. And we have a rectangle and we have a triangle. To figure out the surface area of a composite shape, we're going to first break up the composite shape into the two shapes or more that we know. Again, here we have a rectangle and we have a triangle. Once we have it broken up, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to think about the dimensions that we need in order to solve for the area of each. So the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width, which we have. We have the length is equal to 15 yards. And the width is equal to 12 yards. Now for our triangle. For a triangle, our area is equal to 1/2 our base, which is the bottom part of our triangle. Again, our bottom part of the triangle is going to have the same length as our bottom part of our house here. So that's going to be 15 yards as well. Go ahead and label it on the triangle. And the height, which is just perpendicular or straight up from the base, which we're actually given over here being 6 yards. So our height is equal to 6. I'm just going to label that over here. So once we have all the dimensions, then we can go ahead and we can solve for the surface area of each of our individual shapes. So again, our area of a rectangle is going to be our length times our width. So 15 times 12, which is equal to 180 yards, again squared because it's surface area. And we have our units times our units, which gives us our units squared. And then we come over to our triangle. Our triangle, the area is equal to 1/2 our base, which is 15, times our height, which is 6. So 1/2 15 times 6 is equal to 45, again, yards squared. And our final step is to go ahead and add these two values together. So we have 180 yards squared plus 45 yards squared is equal to 225 yards squared.